Joins in Spotfire are easy, intuitive, and interactive. Let me show you how you can perform any join in a few simple steps. First, let me show you my data. I have a quarterly sales forecast with an account ID, salesperson, and the respective forecast. At the same time, I have another table with further information about each account. The matching column for them is account ID. Let's see how we can join them together. I will go to my data canvas and click on a plus sign next to Sales Forecast Table, and I'll select Add Columns. From there, I'll go to Browse Local File, and I'll select my second dataset, Customer Information. I'll accept the default settings, and I'll click on Settings for Added Columns. Spotfire will now show the Add Columns dialog box. It automatically detects a matching key, Account ID, which links both tables together. You can also choose which columns from the new data you want to include by selecting Columns from New Data. Back in Match Columns, you can add more matches if needed. Next, in Join Settings, you can choose the type of join you want. Spotfire gives you a live preview of how each join affects your data. For example, selecting a full outer join shows all matching and non-matching rows from both tables. I'll select Left Outer Join so I can get the extra information for my account IDs for my quarterly sales. This dialog box also shows you a little preview of how each join works. Once you're happy with the setup, click OK and OK again. Back in the data canvas, the join is now appearing as a new node. I can always edit the matching columns or the join type. Finally, in the visualization, I'll go to Properties, Columns, and include all the new columns available. And just like that, your data tables are joined. And that was it for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next quick tip.